Good morning, students. We learn some information or the stories of moral science. Today, we are going to start first part of GK book, that is Discover India. You need a book for this. You have to open your GK book. Now take that book. Every one of you took. Now open your textbook. You have to write the answers of the question given in the GK book with me. One by one, I will tell you answer. You have to write that answers in your GK textbook. Okay. This is your GK textbook of the 7th standard. See every one of you. It is your cover page. You have to start the lesson, the first part of the GK book, and the first lesson is This is my India. Open page number 4. Every one of you open page number 4. This is my India. Open everyone. Here some information about India is given to you. Let's learn this information. Yes, Indian culture and the traditions are very old. Though Indian traditions are old, today also it is going on. That's why Indian culture and the traditions are known as today's oldest civilization in the world. Okay, next one. Many inventions are there. That inventions start from India. Some notable inventions are there given here. First one, zero, buttons, cotton cultivation, chess, shampoo, Ayurvedic medicines, yoga, ruler, as well as radio and the wireless communication, binary code. Like this, many inventions are there. They founded in India. Their information given to you. Now see, again one picture is given to you of yoga. Yes, one woman or girl is doing yoga here. From 5000 years we practice yoga in India for our exercise. But today not only India, all world give attention towards yoga for living fitly. Okay, so here some yoga's information given to you. When we celebrate a international yoga day, find and send me the answer of this one. There are earliest 454 actively spoken languages in India and 24 official languages spoken in India and given in the constitution. Okay. India is home of the second largest English speaking population in the world. Most of the people or many people in India speak English. They know English very well. That's why many job opportunities are there for the Indian peoples in a world because they know the English language. More than 70% spices of the world come from India. Indian people like the spicy food. That's why the production of the spices are more in India. So, more than 70% spices of the world come from India. Indian householders have 11% of world's total gold. Indian people like gold more. That's why they purchase the gold in a large amount. In India, many people have gold with them. Mostly they use this gold for making the jewelries for the women. So most of the people kept some gold at their home. So the Indian householders hold more than 11% of the world's gold. Okay, here India has more population using internet than any entire population in a US. In a US, whatever the population of the US is there, more than that entire population in India, people use the internet. Means the number of using internet holders in India is more than number of the US. Understood this one? This is a first one. This is my India. Many questions will be there in a GK paper to you from this. So you have to know these facts. Whatever the important facts are there, you have to underline that facts. Okay. Now come on page number 5. Turn your page. Yes. Every one of you come on the page number 5. Okay. Here the first Indian woman too given to you. Lesson number 2. The first Indian woman too. What is given here? Here some famous women and their works are given to you. Here downside in the box name of some women are given to you, and upside some photos and their work is given to you. You have to write the correct name in front of their work, okay, or their achievement. The first one is there. The first woman president of UN General Assembly. Who is that? The answer is Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. You have to write the correct number of Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit in front of the first one. The answer of the first question is H. Answer of first question is H. Write down in your textbook. Now the second one. The first Indian woman to win the Booker Prize, and the answer is Arundhati Roy. Who is there? First woman who won the Booker Prize, that Arundhati Roy, and her correct number is B. That's why the answer of the second question is B. Everyone wrote? Now come on the third one. The first woman ambassador, and the answer is Miss C.B. Muthamma. Yes, answer is C.B. Muthamma, and the correct number is D. That's why the answer of third is D. The fourth one. The first woman air vice marshal, and the answer is Padmavati Bandopadhyay. Padmavati Bandopadhyay, and the correct number of the fourth one is F. That's why the answer of 4 is F. The fifth one. The first woman judge in a Supreme Court, and answer is Fatima Bibi. What is the answer for the fifth one? Fatima Bibi. And the correct number is C. That's why the first woman judge in a Supreme Court, and answer is C. The sixth one. First woman Lieutenant General, and the answer is Punita Arora. What is the answer? Punita Arora, and the correct number is G. Question number 6, answer is G. Question number 7. First Indian woman mountaineer to scale the 7 continental peaks, and the answer is Premlata Agrawal. Her photo also given here. The first photo is there of Premlata Agrawal, and answer is E. Question number 7, answer is E. And the last question, 8 number. First woman governor of the independent India, and the answer is Sarojini Naidu, and correct option is A. That's why answer of the 8th question is A. Every one of you wrote this one. Once again check the answer. Question number first H, second B, third D, fourth F, fifth C, sixth G, seventh E, and eighth A. Okay. Here some important women and their photos given to you. You have to see the photo carefully, as well as you have to know the work of that particular woman. Okay, now come on page number 6. Turn over your page. Now come on page number 6. Here some handi, handicrafts are given to you. Indian have a great history of the handicraft. The handicrafts of India are very famous in a world. There is a great demand of the Indian handicrafts in a national and the international market. Here some handicrafts photo are given to you. Some pictures of the handicrafts given to you. You have to write their names here in a downside box on page number 7 given some names and their state to you. You have to write the correct number in a given box in that handicapped photo. Downside of that handicraft photo, some place are given to you. You have to write the correct number in that. The first one. Every one of you come on this page number 6. Now write down the answer of the first one is G, and it is Alba mirror embroidery. It is comes from Gujarat. Okay, first one you wrote. Now the second one. Second one is there Jad and the Kundan jewelry from the Rajasthan. Here some photo of jewelry given to you. This jewelry came from Rajasthan, and what it is? It is a Kundan jewelry. Now is third one. What is the third one? Third one is a leather footwear. Homemade leather footwear. It is known as Kolhapuri leather footwear. It is from Maharashtra, and the answer of this is O. Third one answer is O. The fourth one, it is the Pichai embroidery painting from the Rajasthan, and the correct answer is for the fourth one is L. Now come on the fifth one. Here some Chaugada Kosa silk sari given to you. This sari comes from the Maharashtra, and the correct answer is M. What is the correct answer? M. Come on the sixth one. Shahida wood ball. It is come from the Rajasthan, and the correct answer is D. Question number 6, correct answer is D. Question number 7. What it is? Bacholim Velium factory. It is from the Goa. From which state it is? It is from the Goa. Seventh one E. Eighth one. What it is? Masaria cotton view. From it is also from Rajasthan, and correct answer is A. Eighth one A. Now come on the ninth one. What it is? Carved wood furniture from the Goa. Many times you see some carved wood things, and that things are very precious. Here some carved things of the wood are given to you, and it comes from the Goa. Now come on the page number 7, the 10th number. Paithani silk sleeve sari from the Maharashtra, and the answer is C. 10th number answer is C. Now come on the 11th one. 11th one, what it is? Tanchoi fabric. It is come from the Gujarat, and the correct answer is N. 11 one N. 12 one. It is the Lipan. What it is? It is a Lipan work It is come from the Gujarat, and the answer is F. 12th one answer is F. Now come on the 13. It is seashell craft. It is from the Goa. From sea many things we got, and from that they made some craft. It is known as seashell craft. It is from Goa, and the answer is I. And the 14th one answer, Kochit work. It is from Diu Daman. From where it is? Diu Daman, and answer is J. And the 15th one, tortoise shell craft. Yes, these crafts are made from the tortoise shell, and the answer is K. You got that 15 answer? We will revise once again. First one G, second one H, third one O, fourth one L, fifth one M, sixth one D, seventh one E, eighth one A, ninth one B, 10th C, 11th N, 12 F, 13 I, 14 J, and 15 K. I think every one of you write this. Now come on the page number 9. Now come on the page number 8 and 9. Here some Indian territories are given to you. In India there are 28 states and the 9 union territories are there. The states have their own elected government for the governance, but in a union territories rules are governed by the central government. They are directly ruled by the central government. No chief minister and the MLAs are there in a union territories. So there are 9 union territories directly governed by India. Their information we are learning now. Yes, now we will learn the information about union territories. Here some picture and their characteristics are given to you. You have to identify the name of that union territory. The first one is there. There are a group of islands in a Bay of Bengal and the Andaman Sea. Cellular Jail and the Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park are some famous tourist places of this territory. Which territory is this? The answer of this is Andaman and the Nicobar Islands. What is the answer? Andaman and Nicobar Island. The second one. It serves as a capital of the two states, Punjab and the Haryana, and it was the first planned city in India, and the answer is Chandigarh. What is the answer of second one is Chandigarh. Now come on the third one. It is a union territory in western India. There are two places included in this territory. It is located in between Maharashtra and the Gujarat. Capital of this territory is Silvassa, and the answer is Dadra and Nagar Haveli. What is the answer of third one? Dadra and the Nagar Haveli. Now come on the fourth one. For over 450 years, both the places here were a part of the Portuguese, and Portuguese occupied India. They are emerged into Indian Republic on 19 December 1961 by the military operation. Yes, we did the military operation in 1961 and emerged that places in India. And what is the name of these places? Daman and Diu. What is the answer for the fourth one? Daman and Diu. Now come on the fifth one. It was formerly, or formerly known as the Minicoy and the Amin Devi Islands. It is a group of islands 200 to the 400 kilometers away from the southwestern coast of India. What is the name of these islands? And the answer is Lakshadweep. The answer of fifth one is Lakshadweep. Now come on the sixth one. It is the easiest question of you. Everyone of you know the answer of this one. It is one of the most populous city in India. It has served as a capital of the various kingdoms and empires. It is a capital of today's India. And the answer is New Delhi. What is the answer for the sixth one? New Delhi. Seventh one. This territory made from the four unconnected districts. In 1974, it became a colony of the French. French acquired this place and made their colonies in 1674. In 1954, it was included in Indian territory. Sri Aurobindo ashramas are very famous in this place. What is the name of this territory? The name of this territory is Pondicherry. Write down the answer for the seventh one is Pondicherry. Now only two remains. Come on the eighth one. On 5th August 2019, government dissolved Article 370 of Constitution of India and made it two union territories of a state with its own legislature like Puducherry and Delhi for the administration. It will be a self-administrator government with its legislature. Very few Indian territories are there. They have their own legislature and it is one of it. It come into the existence on 5 August 2019 and the answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Eighth one answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Now come on the ninth one and the last one. This is a union territory made from the Jammu and Kashmir state on the 5th August 2019. This union territory will be without the legislature and answer is Ladakh. What is the answer of this? Answer is Ladakh. Ninth one answer is Ladakh. Now once we will recap only for the number and their union territories, you have to check it. First one Andaman and the Nicobar Islands, second one Chandigarh, third one Dadra Nagar Haveli, fourth one Daman and Diu, fifth one Lakshadweep, sixth one New Delhi, seventh one Puducherry, eighth one Jammu and Kashmir and the ninth one Ladakh. Okay, is it fast? Okay, now come on the page number 10. It is a very easy activity. Are you taking the tension? Is it going very fast? What sir is saying we are not getting? I think nothing is there. I am going very slow, and if anyone not got the answer, the answers of this you can ask to me, or these answers are given backside of this textbook also, so you can find and write. Now come here on page number 10. In that some traditional styles of the paintings are given to you. India was very famous for the different types of painting. From many years, Indian paintings were famous in an international market. We paint on the saris, we paint on the different galichas, we paint on the different wood, and that paintings, that wood, that saris were very famous into the international market. So here some photographs of the paintings are given to you. You have to write the names of that paintings. Okay, here some cross connections are given. By mistakenly they wrote the wrong. So be careful for writing the answer of first and the second one. The first photo given to you, whatever the painting given to you, downside of it, its description. Okay, the first one. It is a one type of most well known famous tribal arts, and these tribal arts not only famous in India but also famous in international levels, and name given to this art by the names of the tribe. These peoples, tribe peoples, live in a mountain areas of Maharashtra as well as Goa, and some people live on a coastal area of the Maharashtra and the Goa border. What is the name of this art? And the answer is Warli. Answer is Warli. Written this one. Now come on the second one. This is a style of painting flourished in Gujarat in 18th century. When this type of painting flourished or started in India in a 18th century. It is very clear as well as variety is there in this one. On a rich clothes, this type of painting we are able to find. This painting was influenced by the Chinese people. Okay, so it is very popular. Here some bright stones or the bright glasses are used for making the paintings. What is the name of this painting? The name of this painting is Glass. Glass. Okay, wrote this one. Now come on the third one. It is a one style of Indian painting. Mostly we seen this type of painting in a Mithila region, in a Bihar. Here many peoples or the human paintings are there on the saris or on the clothes. How they create or make these paintings? These paintings made by the fingers or by the pins or by the sticks of the matchbox, and they use the geographical patterns or different humans on this painting by using the finger. What is the name of this one? Hmm? Madhubani. Write down the Madhubani. Now come on the page number 11. Write down this fourth. Write down this fourth one. It is a traditional painting of Orissa, and mostly it comes or inspired from the Jagannath Puri temple. Here some things or some humans or some occasions are painted in this painting, and these paintings shown in a one strip, like a strip. That's why the name is given to this is Pattachitra. Pattachitra means the drawings in a sequence. Here some occasions, some incidents they shown in a one sequence on that clothes. That's why the name is given to it Pattacharitra. Write down the name Pattachitra. Orissa's fourth one answer Pattachitra. Now come on the fifth one. Everyone come here on the fifth one. It is a Rajasthani painting. Yes, it reflects the Rajasthani traditions into the painting. So it is very famous in Rajasthan. What is the name of this painting? Miniature. The name of painting is Miniature. Now come on the sixth one and the last one. This painting is one of the important painting style of India. Here mixing of the three different style in this painting: Indian, Persian and the Islamic style. Both three style mixed in this type of painting. Here some human paintings, animals paintings are very realistic. When they make this painting, it looks like the human only. What is the name of this style? This style name is Mughal style of painting. Write down answer Mughal. What is the answer for this one? Mughal. Sixth one answer is Mughal. Once we will recap for this one. First one Warli, second one Glass, third one Madhubani, fourth one Pattachitra, fifth one Miniature and the sixth one is Mughal. Understood this one? Okay. Now come on the page number 12 and 13. Here some information about the Punjab and Haryana are given to you. You have to read this information and you have to underline the important things in it. It is your homework. Read page number 12. On the page number 12, information about Punjab are given to you. And read page number 13. On this, information about Haryana are given to you. You have to read these both pages, information about Punjab and the information about Haryana, and whatever the important things are there in two pages you have to underline with the pencil. Okay, in a next period we will take the next lesson. Thank you.